What's the meaning of COI Communications? COI Communications. COI Communications.
COI Communications. COI Communications. COI Communications is the former name of a UK government agency responsible for coordinating communications campaigns across various departments and agencies. COI's mission was to ensure that government messages were effectively communicated to the public. It was disbanded in 2012 with its responsibilities transferred to the Cabinet Office. COI was known for creating high-profile campaigns such as Don't Drink and Drive and Green Crosscode. Its legacy includes improving the quality and effectiveness of government communications in the UK.